Hi, now well done. My name na Bros. Yes, and I don't dey for YouTube now. Okay, big time. I don't dey for YouTube for now. My channel, I only dedicate am to the men of this world. Men will say then they try to make women happy every day of their lives. Then will sacrifice, hustle, do runs, just to make sure say woman happy. Whether na girlfriend o, whether na woman fiancé o, whether na their wife so. Every time na man they collect beating, and for all that, at the end of the day, na man dey collect criticisms, na man come turn to their life move haba. Which can happen now? Haba women, everything now women. No go work like that. Una don reign for all una 1,000 years. You don win, I don't do. Now time for man to come back and take over his throne. Yes, man, God create man like a lion. Man come dey gentility, dey play una, dey play gentle tiger with una. Una come dey take and dey do my. Abeg, women, all una secrets, I go open una yansh. I no care. I know say na come for me, but even me myself, I don prepare, and I get one big warehouse where I don arrange for una. Wey be say for that na warehouse, all una criticisms, all una tori, all una comment, all anything, whether you like or you abuse or talk anything, I dey. I'll pack am there for you. But when I come back on air, no let me see you, because you go collect, una go collect. Men, this time na for una. Every week I will come with better videos wey be say go sharpen your eye, go shape your brain, so that you no go turn to maga when you dey in love. So that any relationship wey you enter, whether na for fun o, whether na for serious relationship o, na you go be winner. Na you go hold the control number for your hand. Na you go dey call the shots. Okay, time don pass wey women go dey take you, dey play my, dey grind you for ground like duster. Time don pass. Okay, so I go dey come na way Mondays, Wednesday, Friday with correct video wey make sense. Wey be say go tune you, fine tune you, so that your love life will get up, continue, dey go as you like. Can't nonsense be that. Women go dey come every time. Women. Man go sacrifice. From start, man go dey finance you, dey sponsor you, dey take care of you. After some time, pay for your school fees, pay for your house bill, buy you motor, take care of your mama wey no well, your papa wey no well, you no get house, pay house rent for now. All see na man. For what? Man go dey hear am, man go dey hear heart attack, pains and everything. Na say na man. So you don't do. Men, una sef, make una no dey fall their hand. I don't fall their hand too much. Time don now to reverse. Yes, God create una as lion. You need to act as lion. You be man, you know dey act as lion to everything your use for this world. Like say you no get testicles, haba. You can't things be now. So please, men, this is na channel only. I no invite women here. Woman, the only thing why you feel can't do here be say make you just watch video. But if you make comment, you say anything, and two things I'll do for you. I will either block you or fire you back, and you no go forget me. Yes, you hear me. You can't forget me, because my name na Bros. Yes. So, guys, I go until we jam now on Wednesday. I go block you now. Yes, I'll drop video. I beg, me I no fail. Go watch that video. You ain't not subscribe to this channel as a man. No fall their hand, oh. No fall their hand. Subscribe, like, share with your guys, your bubbles, okay, and your G's. Yes, tell them, say yes, better news don't enter town for YouTube. No Ganya, no my, no slow motion. Any woman will come your place, you need to fix them right. Let her control number dey your hand. Okay? So until I see you now, take care. My name is Bros. I will block you now.